use the orange. I'm a bit excited to see how this one comes out. It's making me happy. Hi everybody. So today we are doing part 2 of my rainbow makeup series, which is orange. And absolutely we are going to use the orange part of this Fade into Hue ColourPop palette. And with this look, I'm actually thinking more of a sunset vibe, so I don't know, I might add a little bit of yellow. We'll see how it really comes out. But one thing that's really nice about this is it goes from a light peachy orange to obviously the basic Crayola orange down to like a reddish orange down here. So it kind of fades and blends in a bit, gives us a bit more range of colors in comparison to the rest of the palette in their respective colors. So yeah, I'm a little bit excited about this one. I'm thinking more sunset vibes, a bit more tropical, a bit more warmer. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prep our face with foundation. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty foundation in 300. Just gonna pop that on. I got some on my lip, don't do that. Okay, now with that being done, we're gonna take our L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base, which I'm using for this entire rainbow series, and I'm just gonna prime my eyes. And now, since we are doing a more sunset look, I want it to kind of fade on the outside up over here and then a little bit on the under eye. So kind of lighter here, darker, darker here, lighter here, and then on the under eye, darker to lighter. Let's see what I can do. So since I said we're going darker first, I'm going to set the middle part, my eyelid part, so I'm going to go straight for the brightest orange in here, which is Art Deco. I'm just going to pop that right there in the center. And I'm going to try to just keep that on my lid. And I love how bold this is and how bold it is coming out. Alright, so right now I'm just trying to leave it on the apple of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I'm a bit excited to see how this one comes out just because this orange is so beautiful and so bold. If I wasn't doing a full orange makeup look, I would just keep this orange because it's really, really nice. Okay. Now from here, I'm going to go to Love and Warhol. And I'm going to put that on the inner corners right here. That's beautiful and bold. I'm gonna take So Precious and I'm gonna just put that on this outside part. And now I'm gonna take Treasure. A lot of that came out and just kind of blend it in right above everything else. Now from here, I'm just going to take Retro Dream and I'm going to put it on the inner corner. And now I'm going to take a little bit of Love and Warhol. I'm going to use a bit of a thinner brush. And I'm just going to put a little light dab right here. And then I'm gonna go back into Art Deco and I'm gonna bring it all the way in. It's actually not so bad. Just gonna take more of these So Precious to go back with Art Deco just for that center pop of orange. Just like that. And now I'm gonna take my black Stila eyeliner. I'm just gonna do like a small little kitten liner. And now I'm gonna go into our Stila mascara in Magnum XXX. Okay, and now from here we are going to go and take our concealer, and this is my Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm also gonna just put a little bit on my nose and forehead. And now for the Mocha matchstick. This came out really nice. I like the fade, of course. I do like the fade. And we're gonna up the blush on this a little bit. I'm gonna take my Rare Beauty Enjoy, and I'm actually not gonna open the whole thing because there's a little bit right there. And this comes off so much. Like, that's how like pigmented this is, that I don't even have to open the whole thing for me to get a nice blush going on. So now that the blush is on and popping, I'm actually going to take this random gloss that I have. I legitimately don't know what it is, but take whatever shiny gloss you have. Just pop it on. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some highlight, but this time I'm going to keep it in the orange with Fenty Beauty's Mimosa Sunrise. And I'm gonna just fade that out a little bit. Orange. And then I'm gonna overlay that highlighter with my NARS Hot Sand Illuminator. And there you have it. This is my orange makeup look. It's bold. Honestly, it gives me summertime vibes. And I did use everything for this one. So I used Treasure, So Precious, Art Deco, Retro Dream, and I got this look. And even when I was fading it, especially the Love and Warhol and Art Deco, they blended so well. This So Precious when you tap it in, it doesn't pick up a lot, but when you place it on here, it's just bold, which is something I didn't expect, because when I picked it up, it looked like all it got was glitter flakes. So in my head, I was just like, this is not gonna show anything. But if you look closely, you could see there's color there, and that's just coming just from the So Precious. And the Treasure, it was such a light blend, it actually blended kind of into my skin and gave everything a little faded effect right here, which was what I was going for. But overall, this orange is giving me life. It's making me happy, and I really do enjoy it. So if any of you decide to do an orange makeup look, or you're gonna use the Fade into Hue orange, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, all down in the comments below. Thank you so much, and bye.